This is a brief tutorial on how to use the databases at the Hawaii State Public Library. For your research paper, you need at least 3 resources that are published. Those could be books, magazines, science encyclopedia. And the databases here on the upper toolbar are an excellent place to find some of those resources. When you click on the databases, it brings you to this page. Please choose middle level. That will screen for items that are better suited to middle-level students. One of the excellent resources is the Gale Virtual Reference Library. When you click on it, you can sort by a variety of topics, including science. I'm going to search within science for a term, which is gluten. And it will bring me a list of results. I can limit my list if I want, but it's a good place to start right here. For example, gluten intolerance in a resource called Food in Context. You can view the article as a text document and actually read the whole article here. If this looks like an article that you would like to use, you can print it, which I do not recommend. You can email it to yourself, or you could download it and save it on a computer. This is very useful for your science fair research articles. It also gives you citations for your article. You can look at it in text or PDF format. If you prefer to look at it in the PDF format, it will look just like it does in the actual encyclopedia. And you can see all the pages. You can go from page to page up here, and you can even listen to it. And if you click the share button, it will give you a link to that article. We're going to go back to the databases and choose a different database. Again, choosing middle school. You can scroll down. Another good one is Science in Context, Middle Search Plus, which has all sorts of articles for like Science News for Kids, Time for Kids, etc., and Science in Context. These are all excellent sources for your research papers. If we choose Middle Search Plus, we do have to log in again. And then here to search, you use this search function here. For example, if I was going to search the word flower, I have found a large number, 742 results. I can limit it to only full text articles, and I can limit it to more recent articles, maybe something in the past few years. That will limit the number of articles I have, and here's an encyclopedia entry, some information on bread from a resource called Mother Earth News, and other resources you could use for your research paper. Again, going back to the Hawaii State Public Library databases, be sure to choose middle school. Some of the excellent resources for you. These are all excellent, but I definitely recommend the Gale Virtual Reference Library, the Middle Search Plus, and Science in Context. If you need additional help in how to use these databases, please stop by and see me or see the librarian at one of our public libraries.